file. Hey guys, I finally got a Nintendo Switch, so can I join your friend group now? Nope. Hey! Ha! A light switch? How's not being able to play on a screen larger than a screen? Me, I'm trans. Me. Oh. Stand. This light switch is great. With the money we saved by not buying the regular Switch, I can finally afford a... Hey, guess what? I bought... Solus... Oh, wait a second. I had to buy this joy... Drown with the joy... Luigi! This game is game. Try again, Nintendo. What's in this, sis? What the fuck? I threw it on the ground. Hopefully the analog sticks on the Switch Lite are redesigned so they won't drift. What the hell? Switch a light switch with a Switch Lite. I already have a phone.
The game of the...
What? The Switch Lite doesn't have auto brightness. What do you mean that the Light Switch is not compatible with Nintendo Light Switch? Guess I have to make my own cardboard creations to play with it. Home run! Yes! After many online tutorials and dong. That's not fair! He was edge guarding while wave dashing while doing a horizontal recovery! You ready? Yes! Oh, you feel it, bro! Oh, yeah, feel it! You feel that? You feel that? Feel that? Feel that? Oh my god! That poor soul! Have some food! You idiot! I'm homeless! Is that a Nintendo Light Switch in one of its normal Coke? Well, check this Coke. It's the beautiful Coke. All Light Switches are stupid, no matter their Coke. Yes. Hey, what game are you playing? Oh, it's just Donk. What the fuck? Give me that spray paint! Why I brought you here? Hello? Divorce?